Hey Cougars, I'm Ian White, and here's what's happening. The MHSAA Bowling State Championships have been moved to next Tuesday. The Northwest Boys Bowling team will compete for their second title in 3 years after winning the region a few weeks ago. Good luck, guys. Don't forget, tonight you can cheer on your Cougar basketball teams as they host Petal. Girls start at 6 and boys follow around 7:30. Then, tomorrow at 6 p.m., head back to the gym as Northwest ranking cheerleaders showcase their national routines for friends and family. Admission is free. Come check out and cheer them on. Application for the Hines Career and Technical Center are available now in the Tom's main office for 9th graders and the counseling suite in the main building for 10th through 12th graders. All applications must be completed in full and returned to your pickup location by February 9th with your name clearly written and a parent/guardian signature. Applications that are missing that information will not be accepted. Questions? Please see your counselor. That's your news for today. I'm Ian White, and this has been your Northwest Minute.